What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Verasity here, and as we can see, still looks as though it's coiling up very nicely for that breakout pretty damn soon. Obviously we've got a little bit of resistance here in and around this area. If we just draw this line here, looking something like this, where you can see obviously we've got our all-time high with the wick at around 6.75 cents, but we do seem to have a little bit of a resistance here as well at around 6.3-ish cents here, as you can see. And it looks as though we are having a little bit of a rollover over the past few days as well, but overall looking as though we are basically forming a little bit of a range like this, just, you know, consolidating above those previous levels of resistance in and around this area here. You can see here, if I draw this line in across, you'll be able to see quite clearly that we're actually consolidating above that previous, pretty much the bottom of our range here is essentially the top of our previous all-time high. So you can see this previous swing high, resistance coming across here, resistance again, but this time breakthrough and then come back, retest to support. Basically this is super bullish, isn't it? Just basically consolidating in a range here. Obviously a lot of cryptos that are altcoins going sideways, with Bitcoin basically pumping up, currently at around 64k, basically heading up towards that all-time high that's basically been trying to get back to for months now. Obviously the all-time high around 65-ish k, I believe, so very close to a new all-time high, and it is sucking a lot of the liquidity out of the market. Obviously a lot of altcoins bleeding against Bitcoin right now. Verasity doing pretty damn good though, still just consolidating, looking for that breakout, which is probably going to come pretty soon if things, if things continue the way they are. Basically currently trading at around 6 cents, looking very bullish indeed. Obviously overall Verasity a very strong crypto in our opinion as well. Fundamentals looking really strong. Obviously throwing our fib retracement tool on here as well, you can see here all of our levels being respected, really lovely. Come all the way up, we come back down, we sweep the 618 along with the descending wedge, got that ABC correction with the extra extension here. Throughout September, we had a lot of FUD, a lot of bearish news, a lot of, just general FUD in the market. Obviously, we get our bullish divergences. We break out here, we come back up, consolidate, we break up to that new all-time high, come back inside the range, and now, currently just chopping it sideways. So overall, in our opinion, Verasity looking really good. We don't think that there's anything wrong with what it's doing whatsoever. Still looking very bullish. Obviously, that big kind of cup and handle formation is looking very promising right now. We have seen the breakout of it to an all-time high, currently consolidating here, retesting that previous all-time high as support and just chopping it sideways until we start to see that big move to the upside. But I do think once we start to move, it's going to be looking very good. So short-term price predictions then, if we roll over, we have got that very strong support at around that 5 cent psychological previous resistance flipped into support. If we come back down like this, and we are looking a bit range bound right now in this range we've outlined, we would expect that 5 cent level to hold as support along with the 20 moving average there. We've got the 55 coming up here as well, probably coming in and around 4.5 cents if we do break down, retest maybe this level here before getting that bounce to the upside with the overextension, followed by basically the catapult to the upside. And if we do start to break out of this range here, obviously we want to see ourselves getting back up to that 6.37, that 6.3 level. We've got the 6.7 cent all-time high as well, which would be our next price target. And then obviously if we break out of there, we do think that 10 cents is our next stop at the 127 extension here. Basically, big psychological target. And then, as we've always said and continue to say, we do think 50 cents to $1 for Verasity is very likely. Such a low market cap, such a good concept in general, already getting used, and with more adoption and integration potentially with big game companies as well, lots of rumors about that, we could be looking at a very nice price target for Verasity by the end of the bull run. So that's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.